I love Miss Bennett's lessons because I love the style that she teaches in. It's an immersive experience because we don't just cover what we need to know, we really expand and build on that.
She's willing to educate everyone to be better citizens. I know our whole class, I think we've really developed as people and we've become a lot more open-minded.
Mae'n gwneud i pethau cymhleth teimlo mwy syml ac yn gwneud pethau ella mwy diflas mwy hwyl.
So Richard was my maths teacher when I started secondary school, and without the influence that he's had on me, I wouldn't be the person I am without that.
I think that Mr Owen is a very kind head teacher. He's also very approachable. He's a role model to us all because he's always there for us.
Fel pob blwyddyn mae'n gwneud fel digwyddiad Pi Day, lle da ni'n gyd yn dadlu fel diwrnod Pi. Mae'n really hwyl.
Madam Rose's lessons, they're always great. She always goes the extra mile to make sure everyone's involved. You're always happy when you go to French.
Mae o un o fy rôl fodelau mwyaf.
She's just such an amazing teacher.
Mae Mrs Jones gyda llawer o frwydfrydedd a angerdd i wneud ar iaith. Pob tro rydyn ni'n cerdded heibio ei dosbarth, rydyn ni'n gallu gweld disgyblion yn mwynhau gwersi gymaint a fi.
I'd say he's very enthusiastic, knowledgeable and inspiring.
I'm very, very passionate and he enjoys it. You can tell when someone enjoys what they're teaching.
Mae'n just yn athro i pawb. Mae o'n athro i Cymru.
They teach me how to be a good person, be more sensible and be ready for life and what comes your way.
And I've always hoped I get the chance to thank my high school drama teacher on the platform she deserves. I know she'll be watching because she's watched every single thing I've ever done, be it stage or screen, and she's been my champion for 18 years.